Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn comparing quantities together, step by step. We compare quantities using ratios and percentages, then apply them to real money problems. Profit, loss, and simple interest. Percent means out of 100. To find a percentage of an amount, write the percent as a fraction over 100 and multiply. 20% of 250 is 20 over 100 times 250. That's 1/5 of 250, which is 50. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Loss is the reverse. Profit percent is the profit divided by the cost price times 100, always on the cost price. Buying at 200 and selling at 250 gives a profit of 50. As a percentage of the cost, that's 50 over 200 times 100, 25%. Simple interest is principal times rate times time divided by 100. Add it to the principal to get the total amount. To recap, a percentage is out of 100. Profit and loss percents are always on the cost price, and simple interest is PRT over 100. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.